In this video, we will discuss about the partnership. When we talk about a partnership, it is a legal form of business operation between two or more individuals who share management and the profit. The federal government recognizes several types of partnership. The main partnership is general partnership as well as limited partnership. Here, the partners are entering in a partnership through an agreement for a lawful business, keeping in mind the profit. If we see the features of the partnership form, here two or more persons are necessary. When two persons are there, they are associated with each other, they have some idea, they are interested to get some profit, and they are going for the business. These two persons or more persons are doing the business through an agreement where certain terms and conditions are mentioned in that agreement. Maybe associated with the share, maybe associated with the work assignment, etc. The agreement is associated with that, as well as the proprietorship firm. When we talk about the proprietorship firm, where individual is getting the profit and he is taking the risk. But when we talk about the partnership firm, here the profit is shared by the partners according to their investment and agreement. Here the agency relationship is there. The individual is representative of the organization. Partnership organization, here the individual represent, who is the partner, he represent the whole organization. The liability of the individuals are unlimited in this area, and there is the common management aspect. The individual is associated with the management which is handled by all of the persons for upliftment of the organization, sustainability of the business for the longer term. In this, the individual are going in a particular area. The profit is shared by all of the persons, hence they are managing it by themselves. If we see the partnership firm, as I discussed earlier, general partnership firm, unlimited liabilities of all partnership members. Here it is associated with the aspect the persons are responsible for the partnership. Partnership at will. Here it is associated with the aspect the individual is associated with the partnership firm according to his will. There is no decided length or time of the partnership. Whenever individual is interested, she can leave that partnership firm on agreed basis. On agreed basis, the individual can leave a firm. So here when we talk about the particular partnership, here it is associated with the issue associated with the will of the organizational agreement. Here, for a specified time, there is the agreement. For a specified venture, there is the agreement. When we talk about the particular partnership, it is associated with a particular period, and the individual is associated with this partnership. When we talk about the joint ventureship, here joint ventureship is associated with the agreement. No one can leave that venture until it is completed. We should keep in mind. We should keep in mind that the joint venture is a partnership where individual is associated with the other person till the end of the venture. He cannot leave that venture without the completion. When we talk about the limited partnership, this concept is started in England, where one individual is, at least one individual is having unlimited liability in the business. In the business. When we talk about the partnership advantages, it is easy. Here, easy means that it is comparatively easy than the company or societies. Easy formation is there. If you are interested to have a partnership firm, you can have this partnership with one more person or more than one person according to the agreed agreement. Then it is easy to frame. The partnership is connecting the different aspect. It is associated with the individual knowledge, skill and expertise. Suppose three partners are there. One is better in the knowledge, other one is better in the skill, third one is better in the expertise. That it is giving the platform to all of the persons that they can cooperate. They can assist each other. That is beneficial for them. The responsibilities are shared by all of the persons who are the partners. Here, the different partners are sharing the responsibilities. When the expansion is there, here more resources are available. More resources are available for the organization. The superior decision making is associated. The individual is associated with the other persons. When he or she is getting the view of the other persons, that is beneficial for them. They can do better work as well as decision making, because here it is associated with the brainstorming of the different persons. They are sharing their views for betterment. Through the brainstorming, they are discussing the different things. And it is more associated with the cost saving. The organization can save the cost. Better business opportunities are available because the different minds are there, different technical skills are there. They are working for the upliftment of the organization. The avenues are comparatively better than proprietorship. And the individual is getting not only the financial support but moral support also, confidence also, motivation also. This is beneficial for the organization. The individual can have more avenues in the different areas. These are beneficial for that individual. it is associated with the profit. The person are well aware about the profits in the organization. These are the advantages. If we take in consideration the disadvantages here, the limited resources are there. Less than the company. Resources are less over there depending upon the number of the partners who are associated with this. No individual is having the autonomy. They are dependent on each other. Sometimes the conflict is occurring among them. And when the decision is taken, then some people say that other person is coming, then we will be taking the decision. It is creating hindrance in the decision making, as well as the individual is not able to transfer the interest to the other persons. Sometimes it is going to the low public confidence among the partners. Due to this, it is harmful for the organization. If some partner is not doing well or his image is not good, then that is creating the problem. He or she can create the hindrance in the continuation of the organization. So how it will be beneficial for the individual? Profit is shared among the different persons. The sharing of the profit is available among the different individuals over there. So when we talk about the partnership, here we have discussed the partnership and the type of partnership as well as advantages and disadvantages the partnership.